Hello and welcome. I'm glad you found these few minutes for yourself today. Whatever brought you here, a long day, a full mind, a body that's holding on to too much, you've made a good choice by pausing. This is your time now. Nothing to fix, nowhere to be. Just this. Let's begin by finding a comfortable position. You can sit or lie down, whatever feels right for your body right now. If it feels good, let your eyes gently close. If not, simply soften your gaze downward. Let your shoulders drop just a little away from your ears. Unclench your jaw. Let your tongue rest easy in your mouth. There's nowhere else you need to be. You are safe right here in this moment. Now bring your attention to your breath. Notice the air moving in through your nose, cool and quiet. And notice it leaving again, a little warmer than before. Breathe in slowly, like you're gathering something calm and still. And breathe out slowly, like you're setting something heavy down, in and out. Imagine, if you like, soft rain falling somewhere close by, steady, unhurried, not asking anything of you, just falling patiently, the way your breath keeps coming, patiently, without you having to try. Let your next few breaths move at their own gentle pace. Now let's move attention slowly through the body. Notice your forehead. Let it smooth out. Let your face soften. Cheeks, eyes, the small muscles around your mouth. Notice your neck, your shoulders. If they're tight, you don't have to force them to relax. Just notice them and let them soften a little if they're willing. Bring awareness down into your chest. Feel it rise and fall. Let your arms grow heavy, resting wherever they are. Notice your stomach, your hips. Let go of any bracing you didn't know you were doing. And down through your legs, into your feet. Heavy, supported, resting. As you sit here, you may notice thoughts drifting in. A to-do list, a conversation from earlier. Something you meant to say. That's completely normal. Your mind isn't doing anything wrong. Just notice the thought, gently, the way you'd notice a car passing outside. And when you're ready, let your attention return to your breath. No judgment, no frustration, just a soft returning again and again, as many times as you need. Now let's take a moment to reflect. Think about the fact that stress doesn't mean something is wrong with you. It often means you've been carrying a lot for a while without much of a break. You're allowed to set some of it down, even just for these few minutes. Notice if there's a little more space in your chest now than when you started. A little more room to breathe. That space is yours. It was always yours. You don't have to earn calm. It's already here, underneath everything else, waiting for you to notice it. Before we close, think of one small thing you could do for yourself today. Maybe it's drinking a full glass of water. Maybe it's stepping outside for a few minutes of fresh air. Maybe it's simply giving yourself permission to rest tonight without guilt. Whatever it is, let it be small. Let it be kind. Picture yourself doing it, just for a moment. Notice how that feels. Now, let's slowly begin to return. Take a deep breath in and let it go. Another breath in and release it slowly. One more, deep and easy. And let it out, unhurried. Begin to notice the space around you again, the surface beneath you, the sounds nearby. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Thank you for taking this time for yourself today. You didn't just rest. You reminded your body and mind what calm feels like. Carry a little of that steadiness with you wherever the rest of your day takes you.